Hello guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we teamed up with Sapling Vodka again. It's a British vodka, very sustainable, and they came up with their own little version of a cocktail called Springtime. And the reason why is because spring is coming and they like to use seasonal fruits and ingredients. So in the video you're going to see how it's made step by step.
Alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really lovely little spritz cocktail called a Springtime. Now this drink comes straight from Sapling Vodka and we've given it our own little special TT twist. Now the first thing we need, of course, is some of our Sapling Vodka. We want about 35 mils of this. Alright, next thing we need is a nice little Italian Aperitif. We're using this Capano, which is a really nice, not too bitter example of this. And we want about 20 mils of our Capano. Alright, next up, just to give us a little bit of sweetness and freshness, we're going to be adding a tiny little bit of this Apricot Brandy. I literally only want 5 mils of this. I'm just going to fill the glass with cubed ice. And then we are using this really nice white peach and jasmine soda from the London Essence. We can use that to top up our glass. And now I'm just going to give this a little stir using my bar spoon. Get it all mixed together. I'm going to top it up with a little bit more ice. And finally, for a garnish, we'll just grab a couple of sprigs of this nice fresh thyme. There we go, and that is our Springtime cocktail.